How to download iCloud files to your device. Start by opening the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Browse at the bottom, then select iCloud Drive. Scroll or search to find the file or folder you want to download. You'll see a small cloud icon next to files that aren't stored locally. To download it, simply tap the file. It will automatically start downloading to your device and cloud icon will disappear when it's stored locally. If you want to save multiple files, tap the three dots, choose Select, tap each file, then tap Download from the options. On your Mac, open Finder, then select iCloud Drive from the sidebar. Just like on iPhone, files with cloud arrow icon aren't downloaded yet. Double-click or right-click any file and choose Download Now to store it locally. To keep certain folders always downloaded, right-click a folder, go to Get Info, and uncheck Remove Download when storage is low. Downloaded files on Mac stay available offline even if you're not connected to the internet. And that's it.